Hope you're having a fantastic day. This is a little instructional video on the dough lame. If you've got this, this is a quick overview on how to use it. It's a gravity drop knife. And so what that means is when the knife is in the open position, the blade will just drop out. And when you want to retract it, you just rotate it and the blade will drop back in. Some people have a tough time with the one-handed use, and there's nothing wrong with holding it in two hands and dropping it out, holding it with two hands and dropping it back in. The blades in these are extremely sharp. If you drop it and the blade's out, just let it hit the floor. It won't hurt it. It'll be good. The blades are really sharp. If you have a little bit of difficulty getting the blade for whatever reason, it might get hung up. If you have dough in it where it doesn't want to go back in, just give it a little pop on the top. This is not a sharp part of the knife, so that works. The next thing we need to talk about is how do you change a blade? If you're scoring a lot of bread and you find yourself in need of a new edge, it's pretty simple as long as you know the right process. You grab the bottom part with just this hand, just so you're holding the bottom part. Put your thumb on the back and your middle finger up on the front, just like you're open a crocodile's mouth, and it exposes the shuttle that carries the blade. And this blade is held onto the shuttle through the center pin and through some magnets. So you just carefully pull the blade off and grab your new blade and put it back in, snaps into place. You want to make sure the edge of the blade is seated at that shoulder and on the sides, these two shoulders. And then you simply set the shuttle back inside the knife into the closed position, line up that back pin, we'll call it, and just reverse the process and let it drop down in. And that's it. That changes the blade. So again, two fingers on the side, one finger on top, opens it, same thing, closes it. Pretty simple to do once you've got the hang of it. It takes a minute the first time. If you're fighting it and struggles and the blade pops out and it comes apart, just let it hit the floor and pick it up. Don't try and catch a knife. Don't try and catch a blade. They are very, very sharp. Pretty simple. Okay, next thing we need to talk about. If you're using it a ton and you're doing a bunch of dough and the dough's sticky and gets on the blade, just pull it apart, clean it off. If you get dough stuck back in here, it'll make it's just gravity feed. If you're having difficulty with it, clean it. This body, the dishwasher's not gonna, well, the dishwasher will discolor the Food Nanny would be mad at me for saying dishwasher, but it will discolor the copper. So pull it apart, soak it in water, whatever you need to do. You're not gonna hurt the body of this knife. So pretty robust. What else would be a question? I'm trying to answer anything that might be, okay. If you need replacement blades, go to my website at nuquestutah.com. I'll link it below, and we sell the replacement blade packs there, packs of 10. It's a universal blade. You can find them anywhere. Those are the blades we like that we have on our website. They're American made. I don't make them in-house, but they are American made. We source them from a local company. And so it's a good source to get them. Blades, the dough lame, if you're watching this and you don't have one of these, you can get it on the Food Nanny's website. Go check them out. Outside of that, if you guys have any other questions, feel free to drop a comment below and we'll get to it there, or pop over to Instagram and shoot us a DM. Happy to answer any questions. There shouldn't be any issues. We make these things with ultimate precision, so you don't have issues. If you need to still buy one, go to the Food Nanny's website, or if you want replacement blades, we sell them in 10 packs on our website at nuquestutah.com. When you guys are baking and you make some really killer designs, share it on Instagram. Tag us in it. I'll repost it. Would love to see this thing in action in your guys' hands. Outside of that, thanks for trusting us with your business. Thanks for allowing us to make this product here in the United States. Thank you. Have a good day.